Hello, I'm Caroline Badgett, the agent who cares with Coldwell Banker. Welcome to my newest listing, 834 Belle Grove in Berkeley Park, in the heart of Farragut. This 4,200 square foot custom built home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, plus an office and extra large bonus room. If you enjoy cooking, you will love this kitchen, including a Subzone refrigerator, Dacor appliances with the warming drawer, and also gas stove. The master is on the main, tucked away in a corner of the house for privacy, and you look over the backyard. Just down the hallway is the laundry for convenience. With both a covered porch and a screened-in porch, this house makes for great entertainment or just relaxing at the end of the day. Luxury living in Berkeley Park includes long maintenance, clubhouse, swimming. There's also access to the greenways for biking or walking, and you're less than 3 miles away from shopping at Turkey Creek. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share. If you would like a private tour, call your buyer agent. If you don't have one, please give me a call. I would love to show it to you.